Now inside of the MOD folder, let's create a new file and call it remove-image.php. Inside of this file, we start with the opening PHP tag and then require once. And we're going to require our autoload file. So it's /inc autoload.php. Then we have if isn't empty get ID, which we're passing via URL, then else we're going to echo JSON encode array with the index error set to true. Okay, now we create an object DB, which is the instance of the database class. Then we create a SQL statement. First select all from images where ID equals question mark. Now image variable object DB get one SQL as first parameter and get ID as the second one. Now we check if is an empty image, that means the image has been found, else again we're going to echo the same JSON array with the error equals true. So if we found the image, I'm going to create a few new lines. If we found the image, then the first thing we're going to do is to remove all of the images from the server. As you may remember, when we're first uploading the original image to the media folder, then we're resizing it and making the large image, and then lastly we're creating a thumbnail. So we have 3 images to be removed. So we're going to start with the image class, 2 colons, remove, then we go images path dot ds dot and our image, which is basically image name populated from a database. I'm going to copy this because the following 2 statements will be very similar. The only difference will be the path. So we have images thumbnail path, and then we have images large path. So these statements will remove the images from the server. Then we will have SQL statement, which will be delete from images where ID equals question mark. And now if object DB execute SQL and obviously our ID from the URL, then we will echo one thing, else we will echo another, and another will be error true, the successful will be error false. Now we don't have to be worried about the tags because of the relation we have in the database between the tables. Once the image has been removed, all of the tags automatically removed from the tags table. So we don't have to be worried about this. So the only thing we have to remove is the image basically. Now let's move to the next video where we're creating actually this remove method inside of the image class.